Debbie sent a bunch of recipes, and I'm like, we should try those. And Carol's like, yeah, we can try them on Friday. So instead of Air Fryer Friday, we're going to try a couple of the recipes that Debbie sent our way. So Debbie, I don't know your couldn't even remember your first name, but I don't have your last name. So this is a couple of recipes, quick recipes that Debbie sent to us. And the first one is ranch pickles, which calls for kosher spears, and then a packet of ranch. Now, you need to let this set 24 hours. So I thought if I make it today, then come back Monday, we can try them on Monday. So you just open up the jar according to Debbie's recipe, and the recipe says Vlasic, but kosher dill, and I love kosher dill pickles. So, and then you just add a package of ranch, or 2 teaspoons of ranch seasoning, or a large bottle of ranch dressings. Anyway, so we're just gonna, I assume it doesn't say to drain it or anything. It just says open and add ranch seasoning. So, Debbie, I hope this is right. And if you've tried this, let us know if you like it. Go to our Facebook page, email us, stop us on the street. There's still more in there, but it says to shake vigorously. So if that's the case, I need to make sure that the lid's on. Okay. So seriously, I love ranch, and this is like, I don't know, for some reason the dill pickle's like the world's most perfect food. I should probably ask our cooking mom, Amy Hanton, if she's ever made this. So you're supposed to vigorously shake it for about 30 seconds. So my coworkers at work the weekend, when you see this in there in the refrigerator, don't freak out. 30 seconds seems like a long time doing push-ups, set-ups, and shaking pickles. All right, so that's one of the recipes Debbie sent. It's called ranch pickles.